Hello and welcome to this session where we will put risk management under the microscope. What will we find out? We'll find out that our genes, our microbiome, our hormones and sensory perception have a direct impact on the way we perceive and manage risks. We use this knowledge to help organizations find people with the right risk profile, whether it's to populate their advisory board or their factories. The idea is that you don't have a right or a wrong profile, you just need to find the suitable profile depending on the jobs to be done. So everything I will share with you, you can find, of course, in my books. The right sensory mix, decoding customers' behavior and preferences, that is conveniently right behind me. As promised, one of you will have a chance to win a signed copy of the book. So thanks for joining. I will be very happy to write it, especially for you, and to send it. You can also connect with me via email at diana@dervalresearch.com or via LinkedIn if you would have any questions after this session. So, before I start, one last word about ethics. You know, everything we do it respecting people. So I think it's important that, you know, we always use this knowledge in a very ethical way. So we are not using the information against people, we are using it with the people together to find, you know, the best solution for everybody. So if you continue watching the session, it means you agree to also only use this powerful knowledge in a very ethical manner. So I decided to take an example that I hope you can all relate to, because I know you are from various industries. It's driving behavior. Yeah? So we will look at how physiology has a direct impact on driving behavior, and starting with the genetics aspect. So I think you are all aware that we inherit of some traits from both parents. But if you look into risk behavior, actually the risk behavior comes solely from the mother. So, you know, in case you were into genealogical trees to discover, you know, the risk profile of people, you have to focus on the mom. Another genetic aspect is regarding risk-taking and the need for movement. It has been discovered that the same polymorphism, so genetic variation, is linked to eating disorders, but also to gambling, you know, and the need for movement. So some people, they even choose a job where they have to be driving the whole day because they need to be in constant movement. Otherwise, it's obesity or gambling, you know, so it's a bit communicating field. So that we will see along this session that often when you know one aspect of the personality, it can give you hints about other aspects because often they are associated. So this was for genetics. There's something even more powerful than genetics, it's hormones. So hormone can even overwrite the genes. Yeah, they are that powerful. So maybe you are more familiar with the hormone. It's more talked about when we talk about women, but they also have a very strong impact on men's behavior. And I will give you several examples. So let's start with the influence of hormone on women. So it has been demonstrated that when pregnant women are in their second term, they have twice